Clean the bikini area thoroughly before starting. Use a gentle, pH-balanced cleanser to wash the bikini area. This removes sweat, oils, and dirt that could interfere with the wax sticking properly. Avoid harsh soaps to keep the skin's natural barrier intact. Skip pre-wax lotions or oils. Any lotion or oil on the skin will prevent the wax from adhering to the hair properly. Ensure the skin is dry and clean, and consider using a light dusting of talcum powder on the area to absorb any residual moisture before applying wax. Exfoliate the area a day before waxing. Use a gentle scrub or loofah to exfoliate the area the day before waxing. Exfoliation helps to lift the hair away from the skin and remove dead skin cells, which reduces the chances of ingrown hairs after waxing. Test wax temperature. The wax should be warm, not hot. When applied to the skin, test it on the inside of your wrist. First, to avoid burns, aim for a honey-like consistency. Too hot can scald the skin, while the cold will not apply evenly. Apply wax in the direction of hair growth. To minimize pain and improve results, always apply wax in the direction of hair growth. This method allows the wax to coat the hair shaft fully and helps with a clean pull, reducing the chances of breakage. Remove wax from hair growth direction. Pulling against the hair growth ensures a smoother removal with less discomfort. Hold the skin taut with one hand while using the other to pull quickly in a single motion close to the skin's surface. Apply a post-wax oil or gel. After waxing, apply a post-wax oil or gel to calm the skin. Products with aloe vera, chamomile, or lavender are great choices to soothe irritation and prevent redness. Oils can also help dissolve any leftover wax on the skin. Avoid waxing your menstrual cycle. Many people experience increased sensitivity during their menstrual cycle, so try to avoid waxing a few days before or during your period. This can help reduce pain and make the process more comfortable. Avoid reapplying on same spot. Repeated applications to the same area can cause skin irritation or even minor injuries. If any hair remains, consider tweezing or shaving these small patches instead of reapplying wax. Breathable clothing. After waxing, the skin may be sensitive, and tight clothing can irritate it further. Opt for loose, fitting, breathable fabrics like cotton to minimize friction and help prevent redness and irritation. Moisturize regularly. Once the initial redness subsides, apply a light, fragrance-free moisturizer daily to keep the skin hydrated. Hydrated skin helps prevent hair from getting trapped under the skin's surface, reducing the risk of ingrown hairs. Exfoliate weekly. After 48 hours, gently exfoliate the area 1 to 2 times per week to keep skin smooth and prevent hair from becoming trapped. Use a gentle scrub or exfoliating cloth, and avoid over-scrubbing to keep the skin healthy. Thanks, folks. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more.